Got a pool that's gone brown after, 210, 250 mils of rain. So we're going to get into it. Bit of the good stuff, bit of pH increaser, bit of granular. It's 110,000 litre pool. We've got to hit it hard. It's at the bottom of a hill. A lot of landscaping behind it, as you can see. Lots of bark, lots of soil. Bands up the top there. Brush to your heart's content. Okay, back a couple of days later, it's all drops to the floor. Beautiful. That's all vacuumed out. Back for day 3. It's filtered out nicely. All that cloudiness from yesterday will be in the filter, so let's give it a backwash. Around the rinse. Up there somewhere. And back around on the filter. And that puts another one in the books. Nice result.